Let me get this started because you're leaving the group, right? Let's get it started.
Jumping jacks. Starting 3, 2, 1. Go.
How many? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Go.
Next.
Marches. Take a break.
How many?
First, send them out. So jumping. I found a dead moth. 20.
You want to count us in?
3, 2, 1, go. What? Okay, go on. Squats. Can we get a break? Do we get to two? Are you going to be able to start? Yeah. It's 20. 20 squats. Starting 3, 2, 1, go. Stay on your mat.
Sixteen, 17, 18,
What's next?
19, 20.
What's next?
Plank. Then push-ups, then crabs.
Then what?
Push-ups, then crabs. How much time do we have? 20 seconds.
I'll count if you want.
It starts at 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Goodness, move.
How many push-ups?
20.
Alright, that's a challenge. Let's go.
Now is
Not no fake push-ups either. You want to have people doing these exercises, you need to be doing them as well. Hendrix,
Yes.
you need to be doing it as well.
Okay.
See how many you can get to. Count us in.
Starts in 3, 2, 1, go. I can only go 220. Me too. What's next? Did we count this? This is how you start buttons, like them like this, the dead like this. Look at that. Oh.
We'll make it
That's
slow.
all. Wait, when did we start? Wait, is Mama still doing the push-ups?
Yeah, I did this 12.
No.
What are we doing?
Crabby. Started 3, 2, 1, go.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
I did 40 sessions of that before.
13, 14,
What was the question?
15, 16,
How?
Yeah.
With my hands.
Yeah.
17,
What? You what?
19,
What are you talking about?
I think he's trying to ask, did he ever pee on your face when you were
You did what?
Did we poop on your hands? Or pee on
I
your
got poop on my hands, yes. No, you never peed on my hands. I had somebody pee on my shirt. I'm pretty sure that was Max.
Yeah, how could you do that to them? She was just scared. She was like, who are you? Me? Wait, you're my dad.
It's cold outside, but the jacuzzi's not steaming.
Maybe it's just not as cold as yesterday.
Well, 6 degrees warmer, according to the weather.
We could get frostbite.
That.
Look that way.
that's intense.